Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today in this video I just want to take a quick moment to tell you guys where to get free past papers for your IGCSE subjects. And if you've watched my other videos like how to get A star in IGCSE biology, you know that I stress that past papers are extremely important for your revision. It's actually quite vital. So a lot of you guys have been asking me, where do you get these past papers? And there are a lot of websites that you can get free past papers from, and I just want to share with you a couple of these websites. So without further ado, I'm just going to take you to my screen. Okay, and I've just got 5 websites here that I want to share with you. First one is pastpapers.co. So the front page is sort of like this, and if you're taking IGCSE subjects, you go straight to CIE, you click on that, and you go into IGCSE, and it's got all these subjects here, right? So if we, for example, take a look at biology, it's got all the way up to basically 2018, which is really good. The second site you can use is Dynamic Papers. You simply go into past papers and you go into IGCSE, and it doesn't have as many past papers, but or as many subjects, I should say, but it's got the main one, so you should still be able to use that. Another one is freeexampapers.com, and you just scroll down all the way to IGCSE, and there you go. Got everything there. Another site, gceguide.com. Go straight to past papers, O-level, and all the subjects are here for you to study, basically. Okay, it's pretty straightforward stuff. Extreme Papers is also really good. They've got a whole lot of past papers for you to use as well, but this site is often down, and unfortunately right now it's down, and I think it's been down for a while. So but at least you have all these other options that you can use, so there really is no excuse for you not to do past papers before exams, because that is crucial and essential if you really want that high sort of A-star grade. You can't get that without doing these past papers. So I also truly advise that you guys actually print the past papers physically and solve them physically on paper, because you learn so much better when you're doing that as opposed to looking at it from a screen and jotting it down on a separate piece of refill. Okay, yeah, as you can see, it's for Extreme Papers, there's an error code here. So yeah, those are the sort of 5 main websites that you can use. Also, if you're not taking IGCSE and you're taking A-level, all of these sites have A-level as well, so you can use these sites for your A-level subjects and exams as well. So all the past papers, all the websites will be in the description box below. You can bookmark it or whatever. I also just want to add that I've actually made a new website. It's called www.freeexamacademy.com. It's extremely incomplete at the moment, but it's basically, I wanted to create a site where people could just go in and simply revise. It'll have revision notes, it'll have courses in the future, and it will also have just normal sort of blog posts where people can sort of share ideas and sort of interact with one another and things like that. I mean, it's very incomplete at the moment. I'll show you the website. So if you go into revision, I've really only done a little bit of biology so far. Right, so if you go into characteristics of living organisms, I've got a couple of stuff here. There might be a lot of typos and things like this at this point in time, but I'm just telling you guys now because I sort of want feedback and your opinions on on the website and things like that. Perhaps any sort of ideas that I might be able to implement into this website, because it's still fairly new. So if you do have something like that, please comment on this video down below. But otherwise, guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video and my other videos, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers!